Okay, this is for the guy in the comments who wanted to know where the wires go on the round transformer thing. And I believe those two wires there, they go through the housing, and then I think it's the red wire connects to the piece of circuit board that the buttons are on, and it goes into that middle terminal next to the black wire. And then the white wire goes all the way to the battery pack, and it is on the right terminal, I think. It's connected. There's two wires on one of the terminals. The thick white one goes to the infrared light, and the thin one goes to the transformer. And then back in here, I believe the wires right there, they go all the way through, I think, into this wire, and then it goes in here and into the cathode, I believe. Here's a clearer view of the circuit board. The black wire connects to the left side of the battery pack terminal, and then that middle red wire goes to the transformer, and then that red wire goes to the infrared light. Then hopefully you can see those two dots with the plus and minus sign. That's where these wires are soldered into the circuit board. And then I think it's that little tiny white wire that goes all the way through, and then I think it's soldered right here on this metal thing in here. But that thick white wire, I do not know where that goes, and I can't really tear this apart any farther. And then feel free to ask more questions. I have no idea what I'm looking at. This is the first time I've ever taken this thing apart. So yeah, feel free to ask more questions.